Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your X-Empire account. So first, head into your Telegram. Then as you can see here, we have created our X-Empire account using our Telegram. Now, click the chat and then click the play button. So you can see it is now loading and this is our avatar. Now, there's no a direct way or exact way of deleting our X-Empire account. So I want you to remove this window and then click this menu in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, it will show the delete and block. Click the delete and block and then make sure the block bot is checked. Now after deleting and blocking this bot, it will automatically delete our X-Empire account. And that's it, you have deleted your X-Empire account. And that's how you can delete your X-Empire account, and thank you for listening.